Hi, Dad. You're home early.
Yes, my dear.
You look upset, Dad. Did something happen?
Nothing you need to worry about, my love.
I'll get you something to eat and then we'll talk.
Is that my favorite trout?
Yes, Aunt Jenna from next door sent it to us.
Perfect. Thank you, Sophie dear. Will you join me?
I already ate. Papa, tell me the truth. Something has been deeply troubling you these last few days, but you are not telling me. Is your business not going well? Is the recent deal not working out? Or is it your health? Tell me something, please.
Oh, little one, I just don't want to worry you.
Papa, after Mother passed away, we made a promise to each other. Do you remember?
Yes, that we will always be there for each other.
And that we will never hide our problems from each other.
All right, I will tell you. A few months ago, I made a lucrative deal with an international client. Our company invested a lot of money in that deal. However, he backed out last minute. I couldn't maintain the company with the budget I had left, and I couldn't afford to lose the company either. You know how much it means to me.
What did you do then?
I contacted a loan shark, Mr. Jack Warren, and he lent me a huge amount.
Oh no, not Jack Warren.
How do you know him?
He is my best friend's uncle. He sometimes comes to school to pick her up. I don't like him. He looks at me weirdly. He also yells at Sarah if she comes out of the school late.
I am afraid he is not a good man.
When are you supposed to return the loan?
Today.
What?
I was supposed to sanction a deal and claim some advance today, but the client never showed up. I only have half the amount I am supposed to pay back to Mr. Warren. He is dangerous. I don't know what he'll do to me if I don't return the money today.
Dad, why didn't you tell me earlier? I could have helped you. I could have stitched clothes for the women in town and earned some money to help you.
Oh, my dear, that's why I didn't tell you. I only wanted you to focus on your education.
But, Dad...
Mr. Warren, good evening, sir.
I hope you have my money ready, Harold.
Mr. Warren, I just need a few more days. I have half of your money and I was supposed to get the rest today, but my client never came and...
Stop your excuses at once.
Please, don't hurt my father, sir. We will return your money soon.
Aren't you my niece's friend?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Harold, I don't extend the return time for anyone. However, I can offer you a mutually beneficial deal.
What kind of deal?
I will forgive all of your loan if, and only if, you give me your daughter's hand in marriage.
What are you saying, sir? You are my age. My daughter is way too young for you. Besides, she's still in school.
Harold, be glad I'm willing to take this burden off your shoulders. You won't even have to pay any dowry for her, and small-town girls don't need education. However, I have a solution to this dilemma.
Pray tell, sir.
When confronted with challenging decisions, I have developed a method that helps me navigate through them. I place 2 pebbles into a bag, 1 black and 1 white. Each pebble represents a different choice. With closed eyes, I reach into the bag and randomly select 1 pebble, allowing it to determine the decision I make. I will present a similar bag to your daughter. If she takes out the pebble with the black color, I will marry her and wipe out all the loan.
And if it's the white one?
Then I will wipe out the debt and you won't even have to marry me.
You are a horrible man. You are not marrying my daughter.
Dad, let it be my choice. I will do this for you.
See, your daughter has more sense than you.
Okay, we will accept your deal.
Very well. Do you have a bag? I'll be right back. Mr. Harold, come outside with your daughter. Here you go. Close your eyes and pick one.
If I pick up a pebble, my whole life will be ruined. He will not even allow me to continue my studies, and I will be trapped forever in his house. But if I refuse to pick up a pebble, or if I take out both pebbles to expose him, he can get really angry and hurt me and my papa. What should I do? On one hand is my happiness, and on the other is the safety of my papa. Is there no way I can save both?
What are you waiting for? Hurry up and pick a pebble.
Oh no, how clumsy of me. Now we can't differentiate my pebble from the others. Never mind. If you look into the bag for the one that is left, you will be able to tell which pebble I picked.
Why did you lose it, you silly girl?
Sir, please take out the pebble from the bag.
Aha! That means mine was white, obviously.
Sir, I believe you are a man of your word.
Of course I am. I'll let you go, but don't ever come back crawling to me asking for a loan again.
No, sir, we won't. I have learned that even small town girls can benefit from education. It makes them smart so that even when there is no way out of a difficult situation, they create a new path.
When did you become so brave, my daughter, speaking up to a loan shark like that?
I am not only brave, but also very clever.
Is that so?
Yes, come on in. Let me tell you what really happened.